FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried has been convicted in one of the biggest financial frauds in American history. He became a billionaire through his cryptocurrency exchange, which prosecutors argued turned out to be a scam. Bankman-Fried technically could be sentenced to over 100 years in prison. ABC's Allison Cossack has reaction to the verdict.
Guilty on all counts. That's the verdict from a federal jury in New York, convicting 31-year-old former billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of the now-defunct cryptocurrency exchange FTX, of one of the biggest financial frauds in U.S. history.
It's a warning, this case, to every single fraudster out there who thinks that they're untouchable.
The jury taking only 4 hours to reach their decision. Bankman-Fried, with his head down, appeared overcome with emotion as the verdict was read.
Mr. Bankman-Fried maintains his innocence, and we're going to continue to vigorously fight the charges against him.
Prosecutors say Bankman-Fried took billions of FTX customers' money without their permission and used it to cover losses at his other company, hedge fund Alameda Research, and to fund his lavish lifestyle, which included a $40 million penthouse in the Bahamas, several yachts, and daily lunches that cost up to $2,500 a day. The trial featured testimony from Bankman-Fried's ex-girlfriend and former business partner, who took a plea deal, telling the court he set up the systems and directed her to take customer money to repay loans. Bankman-Fried took the stand, saying more than 140 times that he could not recall events and denying he knew funds were being used improperly. Reacting to the verdict, Attorney General Merrick Garland said it sends a clear message to anyone who tries to hide their crimes behind a shiny new thing they claim no one else is smart enough to understand. The Justice Department will hold you accountable. It's a stunning fall from grace for the young man once celebrated as the golden boy of cryptocurrency, who now faces up to 110 years in prison. Bankman-Fried is scheduled to be sentenced in March. As for those who lost money in FTX, their claims could be tied up for years. Allison Cossack, ABC News, New York.